student look page 40, you can still see this document, okay? Now what to do with this document? Actually, first thing you have to work in groups, and second thing you have to answer 3 things about this document. I will be posting them here on the board. The first thing you have to answer, why are trees important? The second thing we have to answer, why are trees disappearing? And the third thing we have to answer is, how can we save them? How can we save trees? So again, what do we have to do? Who can report that again, Omar?
We can answer 3 questions.
Yes.
Why are trees important? Why are trees disappearing? How can we save trees?
Okay, and what do we go back to answer these? Yes? To the text. Excellent. Do we work individually or in groups?
In groups.
Is it a group of 2 or a group of 4?
4.
Excellent.
Notes and wood.
Let's go for the first one. Why are trees important? Okay, I'm going to hear from this group. Marie Jo, would you like to start? Give me one thing. Why are trees important?
The first thing that makes trees important is they give us oxygen.
Okay. Do you agree with Omar?
Yes.
Okay. Julie and her group, yes?
Trees are important for wildlife.
Okay. Who can be more specific about wildlife? That group, Ginestra.
Because they give them shelter and food.
Shelter and food. Very good. Could you explain the word shelter more, Ginestra?
Shelter means a home for animals.
Excellent. So, trees provide houses and food for animals. So, trees are disappearing for and
Fire.
okay. What about the last item here? How can we save them? Let me see. Who did not speak yet? Mario.
A family with 2 children can save 6 trees every year by recycling.
By recycling. Do you agree with what Mario has to say?
Yes.
Absolutely. Yes. Do you think what we have on the board is enough, totally enough about trees, or we can learn more about them? Ricardo. Like what? How deep can we go into studying trees? Like what can we learn about trees?
What makes trees grow if the farmers use pesticides or something like that?
Excellent. What makes the trees grow? Using pesticides and other things. Yes, Shelby.
How much they
Yes, how long they live. Very good. All these are subject to study. And today I have got just the right project. We have here, I want you to look at the projector. Here we go. It's called Shout. When I say shout, what comes to your minds first? Alexandre.
A voice.
A voice. Yes.
A loud voice.
A loud voice. Very good. Would you like to keep that voice to yourselves? Where would you like to send your voice, Ginestra?
I would like to tell other people
About whatever you're doing, Omar.
I love to say to the whole world.
Excellent. Saying to the whole world, shouting to the whole world what we're doing, what we're working with. So shout is explore, connect. You can see here on the tree, the band. And we're supposed to measure twice, at the beginning of the growing season and at the end of the growing season. And if you could do more measurements, that would be even better. Now, down here, after you measure, you see we have all these. These are types of trees where you could upload your information. Now, if we want to go more specific, where can we find the trees that we can study? Somewhere close to our school. Yes? The garden, isn't that a gorgeous place? Do we have enough trees in the garden to study?
No.
You think so? Let me tell you what to study exactly, anyways. I have prepared right here the year, what year are you in, the month you're measuring, what day is it, what hour is it, because you will notice after the research you do that some measurements differ from time to time. I will not give you much information because you have to find that yourself. Direct, indirect flight, the dendrometer, the measurement, and so on.
On va faire un projet sur l'environnement, spécialement sur les arbres et spécialement aussi sur les arbres qui se trouvent dans le jardin de notre lac. On va travailler sur le site. Ce projet contient plusieurs parties. Regardez. Ici, la vie des arbres, on pourra prendre la vie des arbres, comment poussent les arbres, comment ils grandissent et surtout aussi, on va prendre la partie de déforestation. Nous, dans notre école, on a pris la partie qui s'appelle en anglais tree bending, c'est-à-dire comment grandissent les arbres. On va travailler spécialement sur le climat et les arbres. Alors, comment le climat influe aux arbres, sur les arbres? Oui, c'est pour cela que vous allez faire des recherches sur quelques genres d'arbres, comment ils se transforment avec le climat, spécialement ici au Liban.
Si j'ai apporté le nom des arbres, j'ai fait des recherches.
On veut les copier, les informations, les mettre sur Word.
D'accord. Allez, on commence d'en haut.
Vous voyez tout le texte.
Ok. Et après?
On fait copy-paste, copy. Copy. On entre sur Word.
Oui.
On fait paste.
Tout le monde a compris comment on copie un texte? Bien. Merci beaucoup les garçons.
We're participating in the Global Network to share our project with the rest of the world. And we try to understand something about the climate change and growth of trees. Hoping that the information we're getting is going to help us understand how climate change affects forest growth.
L'olivier a pour longueur de 15 à 20 mètres de hauteur.
Tu expliques? Tu expliques ce que tu fais?
On met le dendromètre.
Alors prends un dendromètre qui est un peu plus grand. Il y a d'autres, un peu plus grands.
De hauteur 1,3 mètres. Et puis, je mets le ressort. Et je l'attache avec l'autre côté.
We're putting dendrometers around trees of different sizes, some bigger and some smaller, of different kinds, palm tree and olive tree, and also trees that have different access to light. This one have a direct access, and this one doesn't have a access.
Devant, il y a un demande.
Je dois voir comment vous êtes en train de mettre. Ok, il va tenir comme ça. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu dois faire?
Lemon tree au citrus limon. Cet arbre est originaire d'Asie, l'Inde et Chine. Puis il s'est progressivement introduit en Europe et dans le monde arabe. En Inde, il est surtout utilisé dans le médecin traditionnel. Et en Europe et au Liban, on l'utilise dans la cuisine.
Today for the project tree understand what trees. Mr. Khuriyati, how does the climate affect the trees?
انا راح احكي بالعربي مثل ما
He'll talk in Arabic.
ايه
When does the growing season of trees start and when does it end?
بالطبيعة الشجر بعلي شوي أكتر. بالطبيعة الشجر ككل بتبلش تنمو ببداية الربيع نهاية الشتاء. يعني بس تمبراتور او الحراره بتبلش ترتفع، بتصير بتعطي قبل كل شيء الورقات، بس يكتروا شوي الورقات. لناخذ اكزامبل مثلا اللوزه، الورقات بعد شوي ببلشوا.
According to some research we have done, we learned that we should put the year, the month, the day, and the hour of measurement because trees swell and decline in their growth on daily basis. That's why it's important for measure them at the same time of day every time.
We're using long-term measurement here because of changing climate and how trees are affected by each type of weather.
We do that in order to know the change are in the ecosystem.
Supposed to measure the diameter of one tree before the growing season, and at the end of the growing season to see the difference in measurement.